Hello Louise. You wanted to have zeros at the start of your ID numbers so that they're always 7 digits in length. So here we have an ID number 123, but you'd like 4 zeros before that if they're blank, as they currently are, and so on and so forth. So you should have 4 zeros before this, 3 zeros before this one, 2 before this one, and 1 before this one. So how to put leading zeros onto an ID number or similar? We can use the text function. So equals text, open bracket, which value do we want to add zeros to as leading zeros? This value, a comma, and then we want it to be a 7-digit ID number where zeros do show. So to achieve that, if I put a quotation mark there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 digits and zeros show. Close the quotation marks, close the bracket, and hit enter. And there you'll see we have that ID number but with the leading zeros. So if I copy that down, we have all the ID numbers with all the appropriate leading zeros to make a 7-digit ID number.